How does the Belmont Report influence IRB guidelines? Have you ever wondered how ethical standards in research are shaped? The Belmont Report plays a key role in guiding institutional review boards, or IRBs, in their oversight of studies involving human subjects. This report lays out essential ethical principles that IRBs use to evaluate research protocols. First, let's talk about the principle of respect for persons. This principle is all about honoring the autonomy of individuals who participate in research. It requires that participants give informed consent freely and fully understand the risks and benefits involved. IRBs ensure that consent processes are clear and voluntary. They also provide additional protections for those with diminished autonomy, like children or prisoners. Next up is beneficence. This principle focuses on maximizing benefits while minimizing potential harms to participants. IRBs assess the risk-benefit ratio of proposed studies to protect the well-being of those involved. They carefully evaluate whether the potential benefits of research outweigh any risks that participants might face. The third principle is justice. This principle demands fair selection and treatment of research subjects. It ensures that no group bears an undue burden or is unfairly excluded from the benefits of research. IRBs review study designs to confirm that participant recruitment is fair and that risks and benefits are distributed equitably. The Belmont Report was created in response to historical abuses in research, like the Tuskegee syphilis study. It established a systematic ethical framework that is now reflected in federal regulations and IRB policies. The principles from the Belmont Report are embedded in the Common Rule, which is the federal policy governing human subjects research in the United States. This policy mandates IRB review 4 federally funded studies. In practice, the Belmont Report guides IRBs in several ways. They scrutinize informed consent documents to ensure clarity and voluntariness. IRBs also monitor for coercion or undue influence, such as excessive incentives that might compromise voluntary participation. They evaluate the scientific and ethical justification of risks relative to potential benefits. Additionally, IRBs ensure that vulnerable populations receive special protections. They promote transparency and accountability in research oversight. Through these functions, the Belmont Report shapes how IRBs protect human subjects and uphold ethical standards in medical research. It helps maintain public trust in healthcare research today, making it a vital reference point for ethical decision-making in studies involving human participants.